A senior from the field hockey team, Phoebe Hopkins. A senior from the equestrian team, Madeline Smart. A senior from the crew team, Danny Shelton. And a junior from the basketball team, Devin Quattrochi. So what we have for all of them is a picture frame that has an action shot of them with a quote about the Marley Pineda Awards. So make them show it to you when they get back to your table.